In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 winning products that you can dropship right now. Our channel is all about product research and helping you find winning products to sell on your Shopify store. To have a successful online store, spotting winning products before anyone else is a vital skill. We, at Everyday Trends, do this for you. So all you have to do is watch our videos. Stay tuned and keep watching till the end. One of these products could make you big money. Don't forget to smash the like button. Our first product is for those who have dogs. The acrylic dog bowl. It's made from acrylic and is design elevated so your dog can eat without hurting its neck. It features a sophisticated look and is durable and easy to clean. It has 4.7 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. We think this product would do great on a pet niche store. Do you think dogs like having stiff necks? You could sell this for $34.99, while the product costs only $21.02. Shipping is $2.03, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $11.94. If you think that's amazing, just wait until you see product number 1. The next product is for people who love cooking poached eggs. The silicone egg poaching cup. It helps you make perfect poached eggs within minutes. Made of BPA-free, food-grade silicone, which is environmentally friendly and non-toxic. It has 4.8 stars and a good amount of orders on AliExpress. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Now you can impress your friends and pretend you know how to cook. You could sell this for $24.95, while the product costs only $4.32. Shipping is $2.53, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $18.10. The next product is for people who aren't smart enough to solve a Rubik's Cube. The 3D Smart Cube. Learn to solve the cube in a fun and interactive way with this product. It's compatible with Android 6.0 or above and iOS 9.0 or above. It has 4.5 stars and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. It's also gaining traction on TikTok right now, so you can swoop in and take a piece of the market. With this product, you can finally solve a Rubik's Cube. Check that off your bucket list. You could sell this for $39.99, while the product costs only $19.10. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $20.89. Worried about your car getting into a collision? The car door warning light is the key. When the door is opened, the red light flashes to avoid an accidental collision. It's waterproof and the design is universal. It has good reviews on AliExpress with 4.8 stars and not yet a lot of orders. This product is trending on TikTok with one video getting over 300,000 views. Imagine opening the door with these flashy lights and getting out your car in slow-mo. You could sell this for $26.99, while the product costs only $4.49. Shipping is $2.11, so you're looking at a great profit margin of $20.39. The next product is perfect for people who have cowboy fantasies. The cat rope toy. Suitable for kids, for playing with your pets, or if you're just bored. Just turn it on and the rope launches into the air like a cowboy rope. It has good reviews and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. This product is unique and unsaturated, so you can take advantage of this. If you or your cat have ADHD, this product is perfect. You could sell this one for $24.99, while the product costs only $7.92. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $17.07. Are you looking for a meaningful gift to show your love to your lover? The Meteoric Star Couple Rings is for you. These stellar-inspired rings come in one size and are adjustable, made of high-quality metal that is not easy to rust or fade and is highly polished. It has 4.8 stars and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. The design of this product is super unique, so you can easily market its wow factor. You could sell this for $19.95, while the product costs only $3.45. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.24. The next product is perfect for your doggies. The Large Pet Dog Jacket. This waterproof dog jacket is the best way to keep your pet warm and dry. The stainless steel D-rings make it easy to attach a leash to the coat. It has a perfect 5 stars and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. Similar products were also winners before on the market. It's an adorable jacket for your adorable fur baby. Pet parents will definitely love this. You could sell this for $29.97, while the product costs only $10.58. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a solid profit margin of $19.39. The next product is perfect for those who want to upgrade their faucets. The LED water faucet light. It is activated by water pressure and automatically turns off with the water. The faucet can also change colors randomly in time. It has 4.8 stars and a good amount of orders on AliExpress. It's also gaining traction on Google Trends. I don't know about you, but LED lights on my faucet is a whole mood. Even my grandma is impressed. You could sell this for $34.95, while the product costs only $3.55. Shipping is free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $31.40. The next product is a must-have this winter, the cartoon hand warmers. These small gel hand warmers can be activated to warm your mittens in seconds. You can also take them anywhere with their portable design. It has 4.6 stars and a good amount of orders on AliExpress. This product is super cool and a problem solver, so you can take advantage of this. Who doesn't want to keep their hands warm during the cold season? You could sell this for $19.99, while the product costs only $3.80 for 10 pieces. Shipping is $2.17, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $14.02. Want to look slim and sexy? The Seamless Slimming Shorts is here to save the day. This stomach slimming shapewear is made from 360-degree double-layered breathable fabric. The first layer shapes your body, while the second layer hides your lumps and bumps. It has a whopping 5 stars and not yet a lot of orders on AliExpress. This product is perfect to sell this time of year, as a lot of ladies are trying to lose their jelly rolls and get in shape at the gym. Similar products were also winners before on the market, so you can take advantage of this. You could sell this for $27.95, while the product costs only $6.90. Shipping is 97 cents, so you're looking at a solid profit margin of $20.08. So that's our top 10 winning products for today. Would you sell these in your store? Comment down below. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value from this, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always ahead of the game.